All right, we have another American Muscle goodie. This one's a small one, but it's a good one. I know some people like me kind of get annoyed with the Mustang doors because if you know anything about it, this handle in the door goes all the way through. I like to set my phone in it, and American Muscle has these handy little bins that you can stick in so that the handle has a bottom, basically, and you can put stuff in your door, which I prefer to do. So let's get these in. They have little foam things, of course, too, so they don't rattle. Super easy, just clean, stick it in. That is what she said.
That's what she said.
So, literally, plop them right in. And now, there's a door bin. Now I don't throw things into my trash accidentally. It's the little things sometimes that make you the most happy. Here are the little door bins up close. As you can see, they have a little foam thing. The stickiness kind of peeled off on this, but that's okay. So it doesn't rattle in the door. And it has a bottom, so you can put your phone in here or anything else. Literally just sits tight right in the door handle. Because if you're like me, I only use like this much of the thing. I don't stick my hand all the way through to grab this door. I literally just... So, having something actually in here, love it. Might find something to kind of, like a little foam piece to put in this little gap, but otherwise, 10 out of 10. Recommend. I do have another thing coming from American Muscle. It got delivered to Boston yesterday. Not yesterday, Friday. And it gets delivered here tomorrow. And it's a big one. So, we can just say I'm super excited for that.